Hello everyone, I am Rimka Mathur, faculty of SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Our topic for today is wild animals. So first we will learn what are wild animals. Animals that live in jungles or in nature and hunt their own food are called wild animals. We can find them in the zoo as well. They are very dangerous. For example, lion, tiger, zebra, giraffe, etc. So let's learn one by one. Lion is known as the king of the jungle. Male lion has hair around his neck, which is called as mane. Lion hunts and eat other animals. Young ones of lion are called cubs. The sound of the lion is roar. The female lion is called the lioness. Now next is tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. The tiger belongs to the cat family. The color of the tiger is yellowish orange with black stripes. Tiger hunts and eats other animals. Young one of tiger are called cubs. The sound of the tiger is roar. The female tiger is called the tigress. Now zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes all over the body. It is a herbivorous animal, that is plant eating animal. It looks like a horse. Young one of a zebra is called foal. Zebra always live in a group. Now elephant. An elephant is the strongest animal. It has four pillar-like legs and a long trunk. Male elephants have two long teeth called as tusks. Elephant eat grass, green leaves, fruits, sugar canes, etc. Young one of elephant is called calf. Now giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. It is yellow, black, brown in color. Giraffe has long legs and a very long neck. It has two horns. Giraffe likes to eat green leaves. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.